Samveda Upanishads. Harmony and enlightenment through melodic wisdom. The Samveda Upanishads, emerging from the melodic verses of the Samveda, offer a unique path to enlightenment through the union of music, meditation, and metaphysical exploration. This article delves into the distinct features, themes, structure, and contributions of the Samveda Upanishads. By exploring these texts, we unveil the profound resonance of sound and spirituality that enriches the Vedic tradition. Brief overview. The Upanishads, the philosophical culmination of Vedic thought, delve into the timeless truths of existence. The Samveda Upanishads, rooted in the melodic chants of the Samveda, provide a distinct approach to unraveling spiritual insights through the power of sound and meditation. These texts offer a harmonious bridge between music and metaphysical understanding. Distinct characteristics. The Samveda Upanishads are distinctive for their direct connection to the musical aspects of the Samveda. They transform the melodic hymns into vehicles for meditative contemplation and metaphysical discourse. These texts emphasize the vibrational power of sound as a conduit for spiritual realization. The Chandogya Upanishad is a prominent example within this category. Themes and structure. The central theme of the Samveda Upanishads is the exploration of the relationship between sound, consciousness, and reality. These texts delve into the transformative effects of chanting on the mind and spirit, leading to profound insights into the nature of existence. The structure often includes dialogues and stories that illustrate spiritual truths. Sacred sound and meditation. The Samveda Upanishads elevate sound to a sacred medium for meditation. They emphasize the repetition and intonation of mantras as a means to elevate consciousness and attain spiritual insight. These texts highlight the potential of sound to bridge the gap between the external world and the inner realm of the self. Metaphysical insights and realization. By connecting the melodic patterns of the Samveda with metaphysical insights, the Samveda Upanishads reveal the deeper meanings within the chants. They assert that the external recitations are symbolic of the cosmic order and the inner journey towards self-realization. These texts guide seekers toward understanding the unity of all existence. Contributions and legacy. The Samveda Upanishads offer a unique gateway to understanding the transformative power of music and meditation within the spiritual journey. Their emphasis on the harmony of sound and consciousness contributes to the philosophical tapestry of Indian thought. These texts inspire contemplation on the connection between the external and internal realms. Relevance today. In a world seeking harmony, mindfulness, and spiritual enlightenment, the Samveda Upanishads remain relevant. Their exploration of the interplay between sound, meditation, and metaphysical realization offers insights that resonate with contemporary seekers on a quest for inner peace and understanding. Conclusion. The Samveda Upanishads stand as a testament to the profound connection between sound, spirituality, and self-realization. Through their exploration of melodic wisdom, meditation, and metaphysical insight, these texts reveal the harmonious resonance that exists between the outer world of sound and the inner world of consciousness. They remind us that the ancient melodic verses of the Samveda are not only musical compositions but gateways to spiritual awakening that continue to resonate with seekers across time and space.